And I'd like to greet you guys top of the morning. And welcome back to another episode of WealthWiseGuru. And I'm your host, John Chaff. It is June. A new month of June just come in, June the 2nd, 2025. And it is Monday morning. And we are just at the opening of the bell. And it looks like we are investing this morning $21,030.91. Portfolio is actually up this morning by $144 and steadily climbing, sort of going back and forth. Have a buying power of $297.99. And so let's get into the morning brief. Investors' anxieties is rising due to the renewal, trade tensions, and up-and-coming economic data. Today, the market are experiencing a downturn, primarily driven by escalating trade tensions between the U.S. and China, following President Trump renewal tariff threats. This has led to increased investors' cautious, impacting market segments negatively. Key sectors such as technology and consumer discretionary are feeling the pressure, with major companies like Apple and Amazon facing scrutiny over potential impacts of their supply chains and growth perspective. Tesla is also struggling with reports of declining sales in Europe, adding to its challenges. Meanwhile, oil prices have surged, reflecting broader geopolitical uncertainties, while the up-and-coming May jobs report is creating additionally anxiety among investors. Up-and-coming events, you got 606 May non-farm payroll reports. This report is crucial as it provides insights into job creation trends, which could influence market segments and economic forecast. The U.S.-China tariff threats market stability. President Trump renewed tariffs to impose threats to impose tariffs on China goods have unsettled investors, leading to a defensive market stance. This uncertainty is crucial as it directly impacts market segments and stock prices. Delay in EU tariffs offer temporary relief. The temporary release in EU tariffs has provided some release to the market, but uncertainties remain about future tariffs policies. This situation is important as it influences investors' confidence in market movements. Investors await May job reports amid trade tensions. The up-and-coming May job reports is highly anticipated with expectation of a slowdown in job creation. This report is significant as it could affect market segments and investors' decision in the current economy climate. And so that's going to do it for your morning brief. And as you can see the portfolio. It's kind of going back and forth this morning, going from red to green. But right now we are green, and we are up this morning about $230, and we are investing $21,126 with a buying power of $297.99. We got about three options that are in the red and 2 are in the green. The first one is Nvidia. This is one that we rolled this position the other day. Right now it has a current market value of $16.65. With the expiration date of 12/19. So we're actually up this morning about $132 on this particular options. Let's look at the stock and ETFs as a whole. Looks like my stock is up this morning about $427 or $444. Total of $75,088 and some cents. We have 207 holdings in the portfolio still. First up is Tesla, and Tesla's in the red this morning. Actually, we have 3.83 shares of Tesla with a market value of $13.25. Actually, Tesla is down this morning about 50 or 65 cents. And we got a metal platform, which is Facebook. It's actually trading at $658. It's up this morning about $10.72. We have 1.7 shares of it with a market value of $11.28. Total return so far this morning is 18.20. Total 150. Boeing Airlines is up this morning about $3.80 some cents. It's actually trading at $211.19 with a market value of $1,069. So far, we made just under $20 this morning. Total was $185. Apple was actually up this morning about 75 cents, trading at $201.61. I currently have 7.0 shares of it with a market value of $1,400. Alphabet Class A. It's actually trading at this morning 168.88. Currently down this morning to $2.80 some cents. Currently have 100 shares of of Google, Alphabet Class A, with a market value of 16,000, almost $17,000. It's negative this morning, 281. Yeah, the Amazon is actually trading this morning at 205. It's actually up this morning about 42 cents. I have 4.89 shares of it with a market value of just a little over $1,000. You got Google Class C, Alphabet Class C, trading at 170.48. It's actually down this morning about $2.28. I have 4.5 shares of it with a market value of $768. Netflix is actually trading this morning at 12.09. It's actually up by $1 and $2.96 cents. And even though I do not own a total shares, a whole share of Netflix. I only own like 0.6344 shares of it. Still, they have a market value of $767. So this alone proves that you do not have to own a complete share of a particular company. Especially a company like Netflix, with it being as expensive as it is. And that's the beauty about trading with Robinhood. So Robinhood allowed you to trade in fractional shares, and with fractional shares you can go as low as $5, and you can still build up a substantial portfolio over a period of time with just using fractional shares. Microsoft is actually trading this morning at 460. It's up this morning by 12 cents. And I currently have one share of it with a market value of $500. Walmart is up by $99.49. That's what it's trading at. It's actually up this morning by about 78 cents. Currently have 3.6 shares of it with a market value of $365. S&P/Y is in the red this morning. S&P/Y is actually down by $1, a little over $1 this morning, trading at 588 or 38, and I have 1.7 shares of it with a market value of $1,009. Berkshire Hathaway is trading at 502. It's actually down this morning about $1.23 or 24 cents. Currently have 1.16 shares of it with a market value of $587. NVIDIA is actually up this morning by $1.18. Trading at 136, a little over 136.38. Currently have 102 shares of it with a market value of $14,000 and climbing. It is 23.60% of my portfolio. It's up this morning, but I made $120 and steadily climbing, total of 908. Pioneer Technology is actually up this morning by about $1.02. It's currently trading at the 132.72, and I currently have 182 position of Pioneer with a market value of $24,162, which is 40.72% of my portfolio. So far this morning, I made $166 off of it. Total of $4,226. So as you can see, Pioneer Technologies, they are very lucrative company to have in your portfolio. And it's, even though it's trading at $132 a share, I actually got into a Pioneer when it was trading at I do believe it was around I think it was $40 a share, or either $60 a share when I first got into it. So I had it for a while. I probably had it for about a year or two. So that proves alone that having these shares and buying more of it over a period of time, this proves alone that it goes up in value. For right now it's at 131, and I kept on buying it for a couple of years, and so now it has a market value of $24,000. And we still have quite a bit of red this morning. It still has a lot of uncertainties in the market due to these terrorist threats from President Trump. But still, you should be loading up and buying as many of these shares as you possibly can. And so I think I'm not going to have such a long video today. I had pretty much cover everything. I still have 18 shares of still have 18 shares of SoFi. Right now SoFi is trading at $13.22. It's actually down this morning. So I have 18 shares of it. With a market value of $237. Still we watching it, and it just haven't moved like what we. It haven't moved as much as we thought it was going to move. So I took some of that profit and put it into something else. And it looks like we're going to be down right now, $200. Still, we have a stock portfolio of $74,466, And so this is the way how you build a portfolio. It doesn't come overnight. It comes over a period of time, or you consistently buying and purchasing stocks. And if you are a really young person, then you have nothing but time on your side. So you shouldn't even be worrying about what the market is doing today, whether it is up or down. Your main concern should be just buying and building up your portfolio, no matter if it's up or down. You want to continually to buy, purchase, and hold these stocks in your portfolio. Where you see the market is today is not where the market's going to be tomorrow, next week, 6 months from now, or a year from now. Not to mention the principle of compound interest of you just holding a stock for a long period of time. Compound interest will make sure that stock that you're holding will go up, or it will double in value. So even with that, you still need to just keep on. You should keep on investing and keep purchasing these stocks. Keep building up your portfolio and keep building up your generational wealth. And I think that's going to bring this video to a close for today. And if nothing else significant happens today, then I'll see you guys again on Tuesday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a good and blessed day as you travel to and fro, whether you're going to work, school, or what have you. Be safe out there. And we'll see you guys again here on Tuesday morning at the opening of the bell.